Bayang magiliw, perlas na silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib ko'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisir. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong mukha, may nilagang tula at awit sa paglayang pinamahal. Ang isdat ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagtirinig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may magdidilim. Lupa ng araw na wahatig pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya na pag may mga api, mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag na may dangal, katarungan at kalayahan na pinakikilos ng sambayan ng makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa.
Honor and fame to you, to bring your glory on, we shall forever see.
Sound check. Okay. For the first resolution, the City Government of Baguio, through Resolution number 790 Series of 2025, congratulates and commends April Malecdan Eslay and Medi Malecdan Awangan, athletes from Baguio City, for their outstanding performances in the 2025 Philippine Masters Athletics Championship organized by the Philippine Masters Games Associations in coordination with the Philippine Sports Commission. April Malecdan Eslay captured first place in the 1,500 meter, while Medi Malecdan Awangan earned third place in the 4x100 meter relay, exemplifying discipline, skill, and sportsmanship.
Local government of Baguio City, kinagagalak po namin na makasama kayo sa umagang ito at maging partner ng national government, local government of Baguio sa ating adhikain para tuluyan ng tigilin at tapusin ang human trafficking at online sexual abuse or exploitation of children sa ating bansa.
Human dignity in our time. And I would like to clearly emphasize, and just like in our fight against corruption, silence should no longer be an option. Silence is not neutrality, silence is complicity, and silence is tolerance. Ngayong meron na tayong manual.
It's not more than a training program. It is a call to nurture the next generation of public servants, to strengthen the values of integrity, courage.
Sa 100 highly exceptional young people. At kasama po sa aming residency program ang International Executive Leadership Program abroad. Amin pong inaanyayahan ang lahat to also attend if you are within the age range. Meron po kaming information session after this flag raising ceremony where we can know more about the program. We are also
and Assessment Reform Act or RTPARA. Among the objectives of this law are the following: the use of the Philippine valuation standards in the valuation of real property in the country, the adoption of the market value as the single real property valuation base for the
Pag-yasyo na, sorry, nalang pasakpan. 1 minute 55.